currently at the Autodrome Dubai with, once again, you know, the 90 Degree Car Club. As always, they always do like the best track days, so hands down. But as you can see, all the cars right now are just lining up. They're going for their parade lap, and you know, I'll just catch it up from there afterwards. So see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just outside. All the cars just came back from the parade lap, which was a quick one, so I couldn't catch it for you guys. But we got everything from Lotuses, the Aston Martin for example, a couple of Lamborghini Performantes, definitely a lot of Lotus Evoras and Exiges. There's even a couple of Corvettes, as you can see, and definitely McLarens. You know, I absolutely love McLaren. So let's just see what else is there. Alright guys, so over here we have the Bugatti Chiron. It is an actual 110-year edition, I believe, and it's fully carbon fiber, as you guys can probably see from the front. So the back is actually not, but from the front, here you go. It's actually carbon fiber, as you can see. And it's also the 110-year, as mentioned earlier. Absolutely glorious car. Alright guys, I know I'm not back at the Autodrome. I'm actually at a friend's house near Motor City, but anyways, back on point. I left my camera in the car, and then afterwards I was given the opportunity to hop in one of the craziest Porsche GT3 RSs. It's been modified to the max. It's barely street legal. It's just like, you know, maybe one more modification and it's like track, and it's not street legal, I guess I should say. But my friend DXP Collector, he gave me the chance to sit in his car as a passenger, and the clips that I took from my phone, because the camera was way too big so they wouldn't allow it on track, I'm just sharing it right now. That car is amazing, and what officially the scariest car I've been in, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So if you're watching this, DXP Collector, thank you so much again for that, and definitely do follow him on Instagram, guys.